To MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Dodge Challenger. It's an RT with a lot of upgrades on it. So a beautiful vehicle, great color, that nice white. Look in the seams there, clean, tidy, perfect, pristine. All those things come to mind when you look at this. On the back, he's added a few little stickers, Mopar Performance, Hemi 5.7. The RT stickers are intact. It's got the rectangular exhaust on it still, which is good. So that's a good look. Nice spoiler on the back. The wheels and tires are new. The tires have Challenger written right on the tires on those Michelins, and the wheels are awesome. Nice painted calipers in the background. The decals on the side here, people have asked, does it come off? Yes, it does. It's taped on. It can come right off if you don't like it, but we actually like it, so we've left that there. On the inside, it's got the Napa leather interior, and it's in fantastic condition, as you can see in the back seat. All good shape there, same as the front. It's got the Challenger RT floor mats. Have a look inside. It was rust-proofed. We've just tidied it up a little bit. The books are here for the vehicle, so everything's with it. As you can see, nice Hurst shifter has been added. Let's go around to the front. Over here, this is the right front wheel, no curb rash, brand new wheel, beautiful looking tires, the Michelin tires again. Under the hood, it's got the 5.7 Hemi, but it has added a 6.1 intake manifold along with a BBK 85 millimeter power injector there with the cold air intake. The concept of this throttle body injector here is that it produces another 15 horsepower all by itself. We had the engine dynoed and checked out with the headers that are on it, the exhaust that's on it, the cold air intake that's been added, the BBK, and this intake manifold. All of the adjustments and the tuning have brought this vehicle up to 366 horsepower at the rear wheel. Now that's equivalent to about 470 flywheel horsepower with 408 foot-pounds of torque. So it is a beast, no question about it. So good looking car. We'll close the hood and have a look at the front. No issues, no stone chips. It's got hood pins on it, and the hood pins are functional. They go right through the hood and set up properly. Looking awesome there. It's got the, let me just put this one in and show you the front there just a second. Okay, so it's got the intakes, the nice hash stripes, and the RT stripes there. There's your other wheel. Again, no curb rash because they're brand new wheels, good looking tires. And there's your little Mopar screening added to the reflectors front and back. These stripes are in great shape. Here's your other wheel, also in great shape. And climb inside here and let's fire this one up. Push button start. Your gauge for your throttle body, Hurst shifter, which is a nice short shift. You've got heated seats, air conditioning, nice digital stereo with XM satellite radio, by the way, as well. 43,427 kilometers only. So a nice low kilometer car, runs great, sounds great. That sounds awesome. It has been rust proofed, as I said, so been well taken care of. Have a look at the interior there. Looking awesome. Nice looking machine. Little Dodge Rams in the headlights there. That looks kind of cool. And there's our decals on the side. The big news is it sounds fabulous. Listen to that rumble back there. That's got some horsepower. Nice machine. So there you have it, folks, a 2010 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.